There's a place in Colorado where time slows down, where mountain winds carry stories of joy, wonder, and the sound of steel rolling through the heart of a canyon. This isn't just a train ride, it's a journey into something timeless. The Royal Gorge Route Railroad winds through one of America's most breathtaking canyons. Just 2 hours round trip, yet every second wraps you in the majesty of Colorado. This isn't a backdrop, it's a memory in the making. And sometimes, a train ride becomes a stage. A mystery unfolds. A dinner becomes a performance. A night becomes unforgettable. The little ones, it's the ride to the North Pole, a window into magic, a gift from Santa, a story they'll tell again and again. Whether you're here for a romantic escape, an elegant brunch, or a toast to decades together, each class offers more than a seat. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, your senses, and each other. Just a few hours from Denver, but somehow it feels like a world away. The Royal Gorge Route Railroad isn't just about where you go, it's about what you feel along the way.